to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? We're inside the house. I just wanted to show you guys my cool new mask that I got. Hopefully you can, it's not like too muffled, but I absolutely love this thing. It's now available on my store, which if you go to arcticvette.com and click the store, you can get there, or you can look down in my description below and I got a link directly to it. However, I was doing a little video on how I ran my Christmas lights. Today happens to be Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. 'Tis the season and he's the reason. So with me trying to do this video that I was doing, I've got about a minute of it, and really that's all you gotta know. I ran an extension cord from my power inverter all the way through Dora back to the trailer to the Corvette, and so that's basically all it is. It really was like a minute worth, so I didn't really want to make just a video on it. Check out some of our Christmas stuff. I was trying to make you guys like a little Christmas special here, and so if we peek outside here, you can see Dora and the Corvette. They're now both at home, and by home I mean our new home, and I am so excited for the boys to come home. Like, I'm missing them bad, but I didn't sleep good last night. I think I had too much milk yesterday, really upset my stomach, and so I was up for about 4 hours. I don't know, I might have got 4 hours of sleep too, who knows. So I've just been resting, but I've got something else in store. So it's gonna be a little bit of a house modification. And before we get there, I want to put those clips in of me doing the lights on the Christmas on the Christmas Corvette and how I ran that. And maybe later on I'll actually go make a video of doing that to the Corvette itself and driving with them on. Now, yeah, keep in mind I can't really drive the car, so it'll be kind of lighthearted there. Anyhow, I'm gonna flip this camera around. We're gonna show you guys what I did with the power inverter and how all that works, and then we're gonna cut in and do a little bit of this house modification that I'm doing. I'm so excited for this. All right, let's go. What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet YouTube channel, where we put Christmas lights on Corvettes. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. But today, I want to show you guys how I managed to accomplish this. And so, what we're looking at here is a 750 watt power converter. And all you gotta do, push that button to turn it on. You have your negative connected to your negative, your positive to your positive. And we can see that we're pulling about 270 watts. And there's the Christmas tree. But hang on, because I'm gonna got some people's here now. Woohoo! And we're gonna come right back. So, you know, I'm just chilling in my shower, right? So, showerhead, I think I got a problem here. You know what I'm saying? So I bought this little handy guy. And what this little handy guy here is going to do is going to lift it from there to above my head. Well, that's the hopes anyways. Let's get started. First, you got to take this off. Oops. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and grab this. And then I think we're going to put it just like on here, just like so. Get it nice and hand tight. And you guys can see already that lifted it like a foot. I swear. Alright, there we go. all good. And hit that. So you just tighten it there and then tighten over here. And the same thing up top, you just kind of angle it how you want it. I think this is gonna work best because the hose, if I had a normal shower head, which I do, I could put it just straight up. And then that way it wouldn't be like that far over. But I think that'll work good. So, there we go. I guess our first house improvement. Making the shower taller. Now, maybe if I take my hat off, it's a little better. I can squat down just a hair now. So, and I could always just tilt it up a little bit higher. Come on, there we go. Hey, there we go. Yeah, that could do. All right. Cool with that. So, first house improvement, let's go. Again, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. And hopefully that soon we'll have some better weather, because the season will pass and we will be back on the street with the Corvette. I don't know when, but soon it's gonna happen. I may even take her out and drive her today. I'm gonna drive her very, very gentle. There's nothing crazy gonna happen, but today my main goal is to try and set up the boys' beds. And oh man, moving takes it out of you, I tell you what. With being sick last night and not feeling good, it wasn't very good. And so, well, there's my bed. Yeah. Moving all week long, it really takes it out of you. Maybe I should turn off my TV because I don't want to get in trouble for having that on there. But I think this is a cool little setup too. Maybe once I get the house all put together, all sorted out, maybe then we can do another walkthrough, make it look better, because you know right now it's full of boxes and such. Anyhow, I'm gonna start doing some work here, get some things done, and then I'm gonna go have Christmas over at my dad's house. We did a little bit of Christmas over at my mom's last night, and tomorrow we're having Christmas at home with my mom, my dad, and my boys, and I couldn't be more excited. So just gonna try and hurry up through the day, enjoy it a little bit, you know. But I'm ready for my boys to be home. I'm ready to hear their voices, give them a hug, give them a big old kiss, because you know what, I'll embarrass them someday. But yep, every night, tuck them in, give them a hug, give them high fives, give them knuckles, and I give them a kiss on the forehead. Tell them good night, have sweet dreams. And man, am I missing that right now. The sun feels pretty good though. Pretty good. Have a great day, and we will catch you in the next video.